Nicole Kidman is known for her amazing acting skills. With a career spanning decades, she has captivated audiences with her versatile performances in a wide range of genres. From intense dramas to lighthearted comedies, Kidman has proven time and again that she is a force to be reckoned with in Hollywood. Her dedication to her craft is evident in every role she takes on, and her ability to bring characters to life is truly remarkable. She also looks great on screen. Her radiant presence and undeniable charisma make her a standout in any film. Whether she is playing a troubled mother in Big Little Lies or a glamorous socialite in Moulin Rouge, Kidman's on-screen presence is magnetic. Her beauty and grace are complemented by her incredible talent, making her one of the most respected and admired actresses in the industry. In the show Big Little Lies, Kidman looks fit and strong. Her portrayal of Celeste Wright, a woman dealing with complex personal issues, required not only emotional depth but also physical stamina. Kidman's commitment to maintaining her fitness is evident in her toned physique and the energy she brings to her performances. But how does she manage to stay in such great shape amidst her busy schedule? How does she do it? The answer lies in her dedication to a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Kidman understands the importance of taking care of her body and mind, and she makes it a priority to incorporate regular exercise and mindful practices into her routine. This commitment to wellness is not just about looking good on screen, it's about feeling good and being able to perform at her best. It takes hard work and dedication. Kidman follows a disciplined fitness regimen that includes a variety of exercises to keep her body strong and agile. She believes in the power of consistency and makes sure to stay active, even when her schedule is packed with filming and promotional activities. Her approach to fitness is holistic, focusing not just on physical strength but also on mental well-being. Her trainer says that 30 minutes of exercise 3 times a week is a good start. This manageable routine can fit into even the busiest of schedules and provides a solid foundation for building strength and endurance. Kidman often works with a personal trainer to ensure that her workouts are effective and tailored to her specific needs. This professional guidance helps her stay motivated and on track with her fitness goals. This includes strength training, cardio, and flexibility. A well-rounded fitness routine is essential for overall health, and Kidman incorporates a mix of exercises to target different muscle groups and improve her cardiovascular health. Strength training helps her build muscle and maintain a toned physique, while cardio exercises like running and cycling boost her endurance and keep her heart healthy. Flexibility exercises such as stretching and yoga enhance her range of motion and prevent injuries. Kidman likes to mix up her workouts. She understands that variety is key to staying engaged and preventing workout fatigue. By incorporating different types of exercises, she keeps her routine interesting and challenging. This approach not only helps her stay motivated but also ensures that she is working all parts of her body and achieving a balanced level of fitness. She enjoys running, hiking, and swimming. These outdoor activities not only provide a great workout but also allow her to connect with nature and enjoy the fresh air. Running helps her build endurance and clear her mind, while hiking offers a full-body workout and the opportunity to explore beautiful landscapes. Swimming is another favorite, providing a low-impact exercise that is easy on the joints and great for overall fitness. These activities keep her fit and energized. She also practices yoga. Yoga is an integral part of Kidman's fitness routine, helping her maintain flexibility, reduce stress, and improve her mental clarity. The practice of yoga allows her to connect with her body and mind, promoting a sense of balance and well-being. Whether she is doing a gentle flow or a more intense power yoga session, Kidman finds that yoga helps her stay centered and focused, and Pilates, for strength and flexibility. Pilates complements her yoga practice by focusing on core strength and stability. The controlled movements and emphasis on proper alignment in Pilates help Kidman build a strong foundation and improve her posture. This combination of yoga and Pilates provides a comprehensive approach to fitness, addressing both physical and mental aspects of health. Even simple arm exercises help her stay toned. Kidman incorporates a variety of arm exercises into her routine to maintain strength and definition in her upper body. These exercises can be done with minimal equipment, making them easy to fit into her busy schedule. By consistently working on her arms, she ensures that she remains strong and capable of performing the demanding physical tasks required in her acting roles. Nicole Kidman loves to exercise outdoors. She finds the fresh air invigorating and the changing scenery keeps her motivated. Whether it's a sunny day or a crisp morning, she enjoys the different experiences that each run brings. Running in the park allows her to connect with nature, and she often finds herself lost in the beauty of her surroundings. She finds running in nature to be very motivating. The sounds of birds chirping, the rustling of leaves, and the sight of the ocean waves crashing against the shore all contribute to a sense of peace and tranquility. These natural elements provide a perfect backdrop for her runs, making each session feel like a mini adventure. Music also helps her stay energized during runs. She curates playlists that match her pace and mood, ranging from upbeat pop songs to calming instrumental tracks. The rhythm of the music helps her maintain a steady pace, and the lyrics often provide an extra boost of motivation. Whether she's running to the beat of her favorite song or getting lost in a podcast, music is an essential part of her exercise routine. Pilates is another favorite workout. She appreciates the way it strengthens her core and improves her flexibility. Practicing Pilates outdoors adds an extra layer of enjoyment, as she can feel the sun on her skin and the breeze in her hair. The combination of physical exertion and the calming influence of nature makes Pilates sessions particularly rewarding. It helps her develop long and lean muscles. The controlled movements and focus on alignment in Pilates contribute to a toned and sculpted physique. Stretching before and after her workouts is crucial, as it helps prevent injuries and keeps her muscles supple. She often incorporates yoga into her routine as well, finding that the meditative aspects of yoga complement the physical benefits of Pilates. Kidman believes in a balanced approach to food. She enjoys exploring local markets and selecting fresh seasonal produce. Eating at outdoor cafes allows her to savor her meals in a relaxed and pleasant environment. She values the importance of nourishing her body with wholesome foods, and she takes pleasure in preparing meals that are both delicious and nutritious. She follows the 80-20 rule. This means that 80% of the time, she focuses on eating healthy, nutrient-dense foods. The remaining 20% is reserved for indulgences, allowing her to enjoy her favorite treats without guilt. This balanced approach helps her maintain a healthy relationship with food and ensures that she never feels deprived. This means she eats healthy foods 80% of the time. Her diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. She believes that these foods provide the essential nutrients her body needs to function optimally. By focusing on a variety of colorful and flavorful ingredients, she keeps her meals interesting and satisfying. The other 20% is for treats. Her diet includes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. She enjoys indulging in desserts and other treats occasionally, understanding that moderation is key. This approach allows her to enjoy the best of both worlds, staying healthy while also savoring the food she loves. By incorporating a variety of foods and activities into her lifestyle, Nicole Kidman maintains a balanced and fulfilling approach to health and wellness. Her commitment to outdoor exercise, Pilates, and a balanced diet demonstrates the power of variety in achieving overall well-being. Whether she's running through a forest, practicing Pilates in a park, or enjoying a meal at an outdoor cafe, she embraces the diverse experiences that contribute to her vibrant and healthy life. Nicole Kidman enjoys healthy food. She loves fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Whole grains are also an important part of her diet, but she also enjoys treats sometimes. She believes in moderation, not deprivation. Homemade bread with cheese is a favorite indulgence. She also enjoys a burger from time to time. The key is to enjoy treats in moderation. Nicole Kidman knows that wellness is more than just physical. It's a holistic approach that encompasses the mind, body, and spirit. For her, it's about finding harmony in all aspects of life. Mental health is also important. Nicole understands that a calm and focused mind is essential for overall well-being. She often engages in meditation and mindfulness practices to keep her mind clear and centered. She makes time for activities that reduce stress. Yoga and hiking are integral parts of her routine, allowing her to connect with nature and find inner peace. These activities not only strengthen her body but also soothe her soul. Horseback riding and skiing are two of her favorites. These sports provide her with a sense of freedom and exhilaration. The connection with the horse and the thrill of skiing down a mountain are experiences that bring her immense joy and satisfaction. Spending time with her family is also a priority. Family outings, whether it's a simple picnic or a hiking adventure, are moments she cherishes. These activities strengthen their bond and create lasting memories. These activities help her relax and recharge. Taking time to unwind in nature, away from the hustle and bustle of daily life, is crucial for her mental and emotional health. It's a way to reset and come back stronger. Kidman believes that balance is key to a healthy lifestyle. She strives to maintain a balance between work, family, and personal time. This equilibrium is what keeps her grounded and fulfilled. This includes taking care of both her mind and body. Regular physical activity combined with mental and emotional care forms the foundation of her wellness routine. It's a comprehensive approach that ensures she stays healthy and happy. Reading and journaling are also part of her wellness practices. These activities allow her to reflect, gain new perspectives, and express her thoughts and feelings. They are essential for her mental clarity and emotional well-being. Gardening is another way she connects with nature. Tending to her garden provides a sense of accomplishment and peace. It's a therapeutic activity that nurtures both her body and mind. Nutrition plays a significant role in her wellness journey. She focuses on eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Preparing healthy meals is not just about nourishment, it's also a form of self-care and love. Self-care routines, such as spa days and massages, are also important. These activities help her relax and rejuvenate, ensuring she remains in top form both physically and mentally. Practicing gratitude is a daily habit for Nicole. She believes that acknowledging the positive aspects of life fosters a sense of contentment and happiness. It's a simple yet powerful practice that enhances her overall well-being. Giving back to the community is another aspect of her wellness philosophy. Volunteering and helping others bring her a sense of purpose and fulfillment. It's a way to connect with others and make a positive impact. At the end of the day, Nicole finds solace in simple pleasures like watching the sunset. These moments of tranquility remind her of the beauty of life and the importance of taking time to appreciate it. For Nicole Kidman, wellness is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing a lifestyle that nurtures her mind, body, and spirit. By prioritizing balance, self-care, and connection with nature, she continues to thrive and inspire others to do the same. Getting enough sleep is crucial for both physical and mental health. Most adults need around 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. During sleep, your body repairs tissues and restores energy levels. Adequate sleep also supports healthy brain function, emotional well-being, and a strong immune system. Make sure to prioritize sleep as part of your healthy lifestyle. Stress is a normal part of life, but chronic stress can negatively impact your health. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Engaging in relaxing activities you enjoy can also help reduce stress levels. Consider incorporating mindfulness techniques into your daily routine to promote calmness and mental clarity. Spending quality time with loved ones is essential for overall well-being. Nurturing relationships and building strong connections contribute to a sense of belonging and happiness. Make time for shared activities, meaningful conversations, and simply enjoying each other's company. Prioritizing family time strengthens bonds and enhances overall quality of life. Nicole Kidman's approach to health is about more than just looking good. She focuses on feeling good too. This means taking care of her physical and mental health. It also means finding joy in life. She shows us that balance is important. Working out, eating well, and managing stress are all part of a healthy lifestyle. Finding activities you love is also key. Nicole Kidman's story is inspiring. It reminds us that we can achieve our goals with hard work and dedication. But it's important to find what works best for you. Listen to your body and make healthy choices. You can achieve your own health and wellness goals. Start by incorporating some of Kidman's tips into your life. Remember to be patient, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey.